Essie Happily.
Essie Happily and Family. Fun gardening.
And I am about to cut down my elephant ears. I am in zone 8A, which means that they will survive underneath the ground and come back next year. Less work for me, so let me chop, chop, chop. I decided to use a hoe because any other hand tool, I've hidden them from Legend. And y'all, I don't keep up. Oops, oops, oops. See, I hit the boy in the head. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Full dream. Just like that. Don't hold them babies on down. Anything extra that I want to cut out, I'm just using my hand pruner. Good job. I am Essie Happily, and I will say this gardening channel holds you accountable because this debris would have stayed right here if it wasn't for needing an outro to my video. I'm Essie Happily. I got it done today with this little bit of okay weather that we got left. I see y'all. Bye-bye. You want to throw the leaves in? Oh, this is just too pretty. All of the beautiful leaves. I have some blowing to do one big compost pile. Who wants to see me do all of this? Y'all, Legend is moving the camera. See y'all in my next one. Bye-bye. Legend is down there. I decided to use the hoe. Hold these gloves lasted me one good season. It will be time to trash all of the gloves and start buying some new ones for next season.